Hello guys! This is Little G in Vegas! Hi guys, how are you guys?
Lunchtime, guys!
It's lunch hour lunch and...
Lunch hour, lunch!
Lunch hour lunch!
Welcome to the Little G of Vegas. He's gonna turn over my vlog.
Hi guys, turn over lang guys!
Okay, what can you say? Happy?
Happy Labor Day!
Day, happy Labor Day! We have so much food today.
Advance happy birthday!
Yeah, this is a pizza day today for the Labor Day. And we have carbonara right here, sponsored by Riza. Social.
Yeah.
And then we have pizza as well. And this guy right here is Rankin the warming station.
Basic!
You look
It's
like
like
a
a
porter
bird.
today.
This is our little budoy.
This is our little Gerald Canderson.
Little Matman! Little Matman!
You wanna shout out of your girlfriend and your make-make?
Shout out to my wife, Happy Mansari. I love you so much.
Oh my
Wow!
God.
Happy Mansari.
Anniversary na?
Hi, happy Mansari to, what's the name of your wife?
Mariel.
Marielle, all the way from Batangas. And then also to Make-Make, baby Make-Make. Hey,
Talaga?
hey, hi, happy Labor
Hey guys,
Day.
outfit check mo ako, outfit check.
Outfit check, wow, parang binyagan lang ah.
Ninang yan, guys!
It's Labor Day guys, what's up, what's up?
What's up? It's Labor Day today.
Kapoy?
Kapoy man. Hi everyone, we're gonna eat our lunch now. Yeah, flex mo nga yung carbonara natin tapos natapon. Flex mo.
Tita Riza,
Oh,
carbonara.
diba? Oh, flex mo yung pizza. Flex mo
This
pizza.
day we're celebrating our Labor Day.
Celebrating the
Pizza.
Mansari. Celebrating the Mansari.
And this Tita Jigs baked pizza.
Wow!
Talaga naman.
Grabe siya.
Ewan nyo, ah.
Oh,
Diba?
diba?
Pizza, papi!
Thank you guys.
Are you guys enjoying the Labor Day? First time in the US. Happy Labor Day.
Your first time in this.
Uy, mag-greet naman kayo sa mga ano nyo, ang mga kababayan nyo sa Pilipinas. Hey!
Hi, Philippines!
Hi!
Mabuhay!
Hi to Tropang Coops. Kupal.
And yung mga tropa na sa
Hey! Hey, Tropang Coops. Hi everyone.
Shout out.
Shout out mo, shout out ka naman. Shout out.
Shout out to my girlfriend and to my mother of girlfriend, my mother-in-law.
Mother-girlfriend.
Watching, yeah. I love you guys. I miss you.
Wow, miss you
Thank
really.
you for subscribe. Bakit kami kumain?
Hi mga kachada. Hi everyone from Cagayan de Oro. Ikaw
Hi,
na.
from South Korea. Hi, sa taga South Cotabato.
Oh,
Hi from downtown QC.
Wow,
Social.
Social. Hi to all the people from, what is that, Kamuning?
Yeah.
Hi to all the people from Kamuning.
Hi guys, sorry guys, I'm so hungry already.
And shout out to my mother.
Di mo naluin yan?
Ma, we're working hard.
Hi, today's Labor Day. That's really for us, all workers. Happy Labor Day in the
Kaya
US.
wag na lang kumain, mag-vlog na lang kayo, mag-vlog yan, bala.
What else? Sige, ano pa kayo dyan? Mag-live pa kayo dyan.
mga nakakilala sa akin nanonood dyan.
Dahil ako yung nakaday, ulahin ng Twins Day.
Take over, no? Take
Or
over.
you take over because I'm gonna get my carbonara.
Shout out to my Mama Ruby.
Ha?
Mama Ruby.
Okay lang, basta
Ingat
hindi
palagi.
ko-
Then to my girlfriend. Miss you.
Miss you. Wow, miss you your face.
Guys, isang buwan na kami dito guys.
Awan ngayon?
Oh,
Oh, kaya pala nagpapakarbonara ako eh. kasi
Aha.
nakita kanya.
Uy, grabe kayo.
Thank you pala Tita Liza and Tita Jigs.
Ano?
Yeah.
Lagi kami binubusog guys.
Tatamaan dito. We're going party.
Pero babawi daw sila guys pag nagsweldo sila, unang sweldo.
So
Sa
guys,
backpack, babawi kami.
Wala nga kami sinabi.
Backpay, di ba?
Backpay.
Di ba nga nag-first nag-backpay na? Kaya,
ano sa akin yan? Akala ko sa'yo yan. Hindi, sa'yo. Oh, plato mo.
Basahin ko lang yung mga comment. Ay, wala pala. Di pala live. Vlog
Sabi
pala.
mo nga sila, hi to my 4 million followers, everyone. Hi.
Hi to my 4 million followers. Ay, Tita Jigs full followers.
Can you guys flex your drinks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll
Flex
show
your
you
drinks. Yeah.
Tita Jigs make to me.
Make this with hate. I make it with
Hey!
hate.
This is my new drink, guys. In Starbucks.
It's called cotton candy. Yeah.
Cotton candy.
Ikaw nga magsabi cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Wow!
So,
It's not cotton.
can you
Not cotton, it's cotton.
Cotton candy.
Cotton, letter K. Cotton candy. Sarap guys. Bago new drinks. Bago na new drinks
Bago
pa.
na new drink.
Wow.
Bakit hindi ko
Shut-
kumain ng pizza ko?
Shout out to Panda.
Dahil tuwa na pizza.
You're always going home in break, ha?
Dahil tuwa na pizza na.
Tumalang ta?
Kurot ka.
Hindi.
Hi,
Hindi masaya.
everyone.
Dalhin ko lang akin isang naman.
Eh, hatid na sa akin, dili ko magdala. Idala ng imuha. Nag-away pa kami sa pizza. Sana guys, masaya kayo dyan. I know, I think today is what time in the
2.
Philippines now, Dai?
2.
Sa 2 a.m.?
Yeah, September 2.
I know you guys are still sleeping over there. Hey, look at the pizza. It's so huge. I made this one. How is
Yeah.
that? Diba? Yummy. Happy Labor Day, US. United States of Jamaica. Happy Labor Day.
Pilipinas Labor Day.
And then also, look at them guys. They're like patay goats.
Labor Day doon, di ba ang araw?
They look like patay goats.
Yeah,
Yeah.
guys, we're
We-
so...
We are
Also-
so
today.
we are so slumped today. It's so busy at you know already that coffee shop already.
Spaghetti.
Yeah. And guess what? Couple shirt. Oh. Diba?
Guys, kami na.
Kami na couple shirt. Oh, diba? May couple shirt kami. Oh, diba? Ano pa?
Kaya pala uniform.
So guys, I think that's it. We're gonna
Guys,
share.
the twins made this.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
twins
proud na
food.
proud sila. Kaya
Kanin.
pala itlog lang.
Possible kanin sa baboy.
Baboy lang sponsor.
Mamoy.
But anyway, we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Thank you so much
Let's
for
see you
watching.
tomorrow, guys.
See you. See you tomorrow daw. May vlog daw ulit kami bukas. But anyway, take care you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye, Little G.
Oh,
Sandali.
promote yun na.
Hindi kami kita.
Promote yun na.
Yung kita yung wall.
Oh, ito walo. Oh, promote yun na.
Bye, guys.
Please.
Please subscribe and
Like,
like
and then
and share. Hit the
and
bell button.
And then,
Pusod na yan ah.
close mo na.
Just stay positive, guys.
Love you
Not
guys.
with COVID.
God bless.
Love you
Okay,
guys.
Peace out.
Peace out, Jargon One. Peace, love.